How to create an account on Flow Studio. In order to do that, head over and click on this icon that begins right here, which is a person icon. Now you can see in here this sign in icon. So let's head over and click on this right here. You can put in your email, or you can also use in your Google, your Discord, your X, as well as your LinkedIn. So let me head over and then just choose Google right here on their choices. And then just sign in right here. Just head over and then continue in order to actually make an account. As you see right here, it's downloading. And then once it's downloading, you should be able to see your Google account successfully bind into the Flow GPT or Flow Studio. So as you can see right now, my account has been successfully loaded and I have received welcome gifts. So click on the Start Your Creative Journey, and then here as you can see, I have successfully signed it. So that's how you create an account on Flow Studio. Hope we helped.